Howdy ho, friends. It is officially time to put the stove in the shelter, which means we got to cut a hole to the stove jack. Oh boy, oh fun. I'm a little nervous because I don't want to screw this up. You know, it's kind of nice how everything fits inside there. I only get one shot of this. And if I make a pretty sure Tim's not going to be very happy with me. In fact, I know Tim is not going to be very happy with me. There we go. Now the question is, nope, I forgot about that. Spark arrestor, which we are going to need today. I'm going to bring this part up now for the people who have never put in a stove jack. And I know some of you already know this. So, Bob, why are you mentioning it? Because I don't want people to screw up. When you get a brand new stove jack like this, I notice some people will lay it flat on the ground, slam the pipe on it, zap their hole in there. No, you don't want to do that because everything is at an angle, so your hole is going to be at an angle. And let's get this little guy lined up to where I think I want it to be. And yeah, we were 100% winging it. Not close. I need to go just a little bit more. Yeah, I think I had it where there we go. Is that good? That looks good. Let's see. It's going to come up right there. So that's from there to there, from here to here. Let's come over a little bit more. The good thing about being on sand, it's easy to maneuver the stove around. Okay. I am not doing the best at communications today. All right, what I'm going to do is we're going to cut the hole right now. And I am very much so crossing my fingers that I don't screw this up. And so far, so good. Now, I'll clean the hole up a little bit later on when I get it back to the house. But for now, I think we're going to be all right. Oh, I'm liking, okay, right there. Now, see what I mean? We've already got this angle forming. And just a little bit more here. Okay. That's kind of center. It helps if I do this. Oh, I don't want this piece. Helps if I do this right. Hey, pretty happy with that. We probably could have came over a little bit, but you know what? That's going to work. Let's get the pipe put on. You know, theoretically, I could get by without using this pipe. You know what? We're going to use it. It's something very important we're going to use today because it is getting a little windy out. And that will be the spark arrestor I made. Now I just got to go harvest some firewood. I'm kind of kicking myself in the butt right now. I found the perfect dead standing tree for this project. I went to go grab my saw. Turned out it was a backup tripod. Oh well, it'll be here next time. I wanted to use, I know what you're saying, you could, oh, a spider. You could run around and grab, you know, the stuffed limbs laying on the ground, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to use a hardwood, giggity, for the first burn. Okay, a couple things we need to keep in mind. The temperature right now is 45 to 50 degrees, so I don't know where the flash point of the canvas is, so we got to be careful. We can't have a rip-roaring fire going here. We're going to use the egg drop fire starter for this project. Oh, there we go. Come on. Now I got to make sure the flue is open, and it is. Yeah, not that one yet. Let's load it up. This wood is a little bit on the damp side. I think it'll be all right once we get her started. I think that's all we're going to be able to fit in her. Oh yeah, it's going to go. One more piece right there. Let's close her up and... Uh-oh. There we go. All the way open, all the way open. Okay, once that fire gets started, we're gonna back off the vents and see what happens. She's been burning for a while now, and it's putting off a lot of freaking heat. So much so, I had to throttle this little guy back because I was afraid I was gonna melt the canvas there. That's kind of warm. That's real freaking hot. Now remember, it's about 50 degrees out. When it's cold out, and this is not going to be a big deal, but right now we need to be very careful not to set the damn tent on fire. Okay, that's kind of warm there. Let's take a look on the inside. There we go. Open this up. Oh, there it goes. You can hear it. You want to open up the flue and then open up down here to vent the oxygen in, because if you don't, you're going to have a flashback. Nah, it's not good. Okay, you can hear it start to take off. Okay, let's pop her open real quick. Oh yeah, that's a very, very, very hot fire. And we're getting a little backtrack. Oh, because I see why. Okay, not a worries. All right, that's better. Oh my God, look at that thing go. The heat here, not so bad. Here, then up here, it's warm all the way up to about there. Okay, let's throttle this back again so we don't have no uh-ohs. Come on. There we go. A little bit more. And this down here. There we go. It'll be all right. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Let's go see how it's going. Oh, we're getting a little smoke here. Yep, that silicone's getting hot. Or whatever this material is, it's getting really hot. Wow. Yeah, we definitely need to be careful with this guy. A little bit more. Okay, that should do it. Let's take a look on the outside here. Warm, very warm. Definitely warm. Pipe, oh yeah. Okay, thank God for the spark arrestor. We're not getting a lot of smoke, that's a good thing. I'm gonna let that burn down a little bit. And guess what? I'm gonna throw in a Cooking with Bob video because I'm freaking hungry and I brought some fun stuff with us to cook. Hey friends, welcome to an impromptu Cooking with Bob episode. We are gonna make turkey spam. Yeah, I'm trying to eat healthy. Spam healthy? No, it's not, but we're gonna eat it. First thing we need to do is we need to put our, God, I already got sand in it and it was in a Ziploc. Can you believe that? We need to open up the pipe here, the flue, open up the front so we don't have a flashback. Pull that top off, put it over yonders. Stir that about. Ooh. Put our pan on there, and we're going to preheat the pan. And we'll throttle that back just a touch. Getting used to the controls on the stove is going to take me a little while. It's not like the TMS I'm used to using. All right, next, take our spam here. Okay, a big freaking bird just flew by me. I'm betting that was an eagle. That was a trip. Smells good. Yeah, I guess we'll use this one. Pop a couple holes in the bottom to get her to come out. Plop. Looks good. I cannot remember the last time I had turkey spam, to be honest with you. All right, let's cut up a couple small pieces. That is a lot of spam. Y'all are more than welcome to have a couple of bites if you like. Don't cut my finger, don't cut my finger. There we go. All right, let's clean this knife off. Need a little more heat. There we go. Oh, you can hear that thing explode inside. That looks good. Let's get our trash out of the way. I did not get a flipping utensil. What the heck? Let's see what I got in here. It's getting there. Okay, this one, this will work. Oh, look at this mess. Can you tell it's been a while since I did a cooking, excuse me, cooking with Bob video? I am unprepared. We're almost there. Gotta watch the heat on the tent side here. Yeah, I think we're good. Let's try a test piece. This little guy right here. Oh yeah. Okay, we're at temperature. That is not going to take long at all. Pretty sure the test piece is, yeah, it's definitely cooked. Okay, let's throw a big one on there. Oh yeah, it's not going to take long. Oh, be right back. Well, let's give the test piece a test. A little warm. It's definitely cooked. Oh my. That is really good. Okay. Very, very good piece of spam. Well, friends, I think I'm going to wrap the video up. I got the hole cut in the stove jack. I discovered how hot I can get the stove before the canvas starts heating up. Working the flue or the damper, ow, is going to be a little bit of a learning curve, but I'll figure it out. The hole in the top is perfect. Oh my God, she's burning. For the fun size skillet, yeah, it's about done. I'm telling you, this Turkish Spam does not have the same amount of grease as regular Spam in it. So it's kind of cooking a little weird. No big deal. Still awful freaking good though. Ooh, that's kind of warm. Well, I'll heat that one up. I like the little fold outs. Perfect for putting stuff on there. Temperature's not too bad. I can't wait to try this on a freezing cold day. Let's come around here real quick. Uh-oh. No. I just knocked over my Canadian Mist. I think that's, oh well, anyway. Yeah, this is going to be perfect. This little cover here is going to block the rain. Not a problem. Oh, that's some hot pipe. Oh no. Very happy. A little teaser. You ready? Next project I'm working on. But that, my friends, will be another video. Comments are always welcome. Oh, look how beautiful it is. And you know, it's going to take me a little while to get to them. And like always, friends, thanks for watching.